Oh, okay. This is one of those wake me up for the weekend onesies. This most likely will be part 1, and then I'm also gonna do part 2. So I forgot about the whole camera setup, so I actually just took everything that was hanging up down, and then we'll get back into actually like reviewing the pieces. First on the docket is another Howard crew neck. Oh my god, we will be keeping. No, but like for real, anyone who buys Howard gear knows that it's like $40 to like $50 absolute minimum, so I'm not getting rid of these for like a really long time. Next, I have this crochet set that I got from Marshall's. This crochet halter tank, the matching crochet midi skirt with like a really thick band. Once again, it has a built-in slip. This is a size medium. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it for now, maybe like one more summer, and if I can like fit it still, then I'll keep it, but if not, then I'm just gonna give it away. And this is the white version of the black skirt dress that I showed y'all before. Same ruffles, same like faux linen material, and yeah, same like really thick band, which is pretty nice. I'm gonna keep this one too. I have these medium to dark wash denim flare jeans that I got this year. Well, actually these are boot cut. It has like a double button on the band, which I think is cute. Also, once again, they really emphasize the booty, which I think is really great. I'm gonna keep these. I got these from Hollister, I think my sophomore year. I definitely did a haul on them though, so I'll probably link that. These are really cute. They stop maybe just above your ankle. These are really nice, very professional, so I'm gonna keep these. They are a little tighter than they used to be. They're a size large, but it's not like suffocating, so I'm gonna keep them for now. And then if I change my mind, I'll just donate them. So this skirt, oh my gosh, y'all, this used to be my favorite, but our time is up. She has a built-in slip, which is really nice. The band is super thick, so it really cinches you in. This is a maxi skirt. She's a size small. So this is back when I was like definitely in college, like I was smaller and I could like get away with wearing smalls if it wasn't medium or large. Those days are over, baby. So I'm definitely gonna be donating this one. She's super cute though, so whoever gets her, please love her. So these jeans are like a true medium wash denim. These, I believe, are actual flare. I just got these a month ago, and yeah, I like them, so I'm gonna keep them. We've got another pair of medium wash denim jeans. These are also boot cut, and they also have like this black band in them to make them like really adjustable and stretchy. So these are super comfortable, like when I'm bloated or if I've eaten a lot and I don't have to do the unbutton thing, I can just leave them as is. They mesh to your body whenever you're wearing them, so that's great, and I'm definitely gonna keep these. This is my last pair of work pants. These are flared. They're super long though, so I typically wear these when I'm wearing like boots, but yeah, they have the built-in belt, and yeah, I'm gonna keep these. In my last video, I actually wore this jacket, chain design denim jacket with a little bit of distressing at the bottom. I got it from Olive Olay, which is like a place in the mall. But yeah, this is really cute. I like it a lot, so I'm gonna keep it. This is actually like the one and only piece of clothing I've ever purchased from Shein. So I have this long maxi dress. It's ribbed, long sleeves off the shoulder, and it has like a little bustier piece. I think it's cute, but yeah, I'm gonna keep it. This is like my windbreaker that I got my freshman year. It's ripped a little bit though, so that's kind of sad. This is a loud ass jacket, I will say that. But yeah, I actually wore this for like my first impressions on like freshman year or whatever it was called. The memories. But I literally don't wear this. You know what, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna just like make myself wear it. And then if I don't like how it fits, or if I don't like how loud it is, or just anything, then I'll get rid of it. But for now, I'm gonna keep it. Last for the closet is gonna be this pink crop top with the O-ring and strings, like the wraparound tie. And it has like really cute puffy sleeves. I love this for brunch or just like when you wanna dress up. So I'm gonna keep it. All right, y'all. Onto the trunk, and then we'll actually be done. So I also have this giant trunk that literally just stays underneath my bed. I donated most of it like 2 months ago, but here I am back again, trying to get rid of a few more things. Alrighty, we have a new angle. Let's get into the trunk, and then I'll finally have decluttered. First out of the trunk is like this cute printed tank top bodysuit that I have. This one's like a button bottom. It has like the built-in little slip piece at the top part, but once again, it kind of shifts around. I'm pretty sure this one's a size medium too, so it doesn't really fit me the way it used to. This was one of my favorite pieces, but I will be donating this. I'm really sad because I thought I would like this skirt a lot more than I actually did. I think I've only worn this like twice, and I really tried, y'all. Like, I really tried, but something about it, I just don't like it. Like, the tiers, I actually like this, but like in theory, but in actuality, something's just like not hitting for me. So it's like this leaf, tree, branch, tiered skirt, like a maxi skirt, really fluffy, lots of ruffles, but I just don't like it on me. So I'm gonna be donating this. I got this tube top with like a little extra V piece at the bottom from Marshall's, I believe. I think it's really cute, you know, a little something funky, and I'm gonna keep it for now. As y'all may or may not know, depending on if you watched my old videos or if you read my bio, I'm actually from the Hamptons, and then this is just like a little hoodie I had from back home. So I'll be keeping this. It's really comfy, and yeah, reminds me of home when I miss it, which is all the time. Oh my god, I used to love this onesie, but I've loved it down to the point where it's kind of just like crusty. It has like beads on it, really not cute. This used to be white, and now it's just like really dingy, nasty, funky, ugly. So I'm gonna be recycling this. It just needs to be given a new life, period. Like, strip it down, make it something new. This sweater, I kind of have a love-hate relationship with it. So it's cropped. It's just like a really chunky sweater, cream. Like, it's basic. I don't know, like, it's a comfortable sweater. I can throw it on, so I think I'm gonna keep it, but it's not one of like my favorite sweaters. You know how like you have pieces where you're like, oh yeah, I can wear this today. This is not one of those for me. This is like, I already wore all my other sweaters, I might as well wear this one. So this is the jumpsuit I wore on my 24th birthday. So I wore it last year. And then I also wore it to the WNBA game I went to. It was Chicago Sky versus the Washington Mystics. And it's really cute. It's like a V-neck with a collar, it comes with a belt, and it's skinny bottoms. But yeah, it's a jumpsuit one piece. Super cute, so I will be keeping this. This one's just like a plain white long sleeve V-neck from Forever 21. This is a size medium though, so it's kind of tight. I'm gonna donate this. Aww. What size is this? Medium. Ugh. So this bodysuit was one of my favorites. It's kind of like the cream one I showed earlier with like the sweetheart neckline. This one's ribbed, it's green, and it has a little tie knot instead of the strings that you tie into a bow. But yeah, this one's a size medium. I don't think I can get away with wearing it. If it were less thick and like more stretchy, I'd probably keep it, but it's not, so I'm just gonna donate this. Oh, I also got this from Target. Speaking of letting things go, I loved this shirt so much. I literally have worn this so many times, and I used to wear it with the like blue and green plaid pants that I just got rid of like 2 months ago. So that was one of my favorite outfits. I finally just threw in the towel. I've worn her so much. I'm gonna donate her and let somebody else love her. This top, it's like a mock neck leopard print top. It's cute, but also I didn't really wear it much. I kind of liked wearing it with other pieces, but by itself, I just don't like it. I think I'm a little over it, so I'm gonna donate this too. This is one of my field hockey tops back in the day, back in high school. So this is cute for like lounging or if I'm doing errands or whatever, and I don't want to wear like my real clothes. So I'm gonna keep this for now. Okay, this absolutely has to go. This is a bathing suit top that I got literally when I was a senior in high school. It's a size medium. It's from Victoria's Secret. It's super cute. It has like the cute little frilly sides off the shoulder. So I'm gonna donate this, and somebody's gonna be really lucky. It still has the cups and everything. It's genuinely so gorgeous. I just can't fit it anymore. I've only worn this a few times as well, so whoever gets this, very lucky. These are the bottoms that go with that bathing suit. There's like nothing wrong with these. I think I've only worn them like twice, maybe 3 times. So I'm gonna donate these. Oh, okay. This is one of those wake me up for the weekend onesies. I got this in high school as well. Basically, I had a onesie phase where I had like 10 of them and I would always wear them. So these were like the last few that I kept, and I think I'm finally just like parting with that. Yeah. Maybe I'll get new onesies, but for now, I think I'm just gonna get rid of all of them and start from scratch. So I'm gonna recycle these. Next is this cream cardigan. It's pretty long. It's ribbed that I got from Forever 21. It's a size medium, but it's a cardigan, so I'm just gonna keep it. I actually just got this year, but I don't really like it as much as I thought I would. Like, I've worn it quite a few times because I did like it. I just don't like it enough to keep it for another summer. So yeah, I'm gonna donate this. But I got it from Ross. So this is a turtleneck. I used to wear this for like my preppy looks, also for like interviews and stuff like that. But it doesn't really fit as well as it used to. It's actually kind of tight now because it's a medium, and like the turtleneck is like, oh. So I'm gonna donate this. This is from H&M though, so it's pretty good quality. As I was showing y'all earlier, this is like the light pink version, like a salmon pink, honestly. And this one's also a medium large, but it just looks kind of frumpy on me. So I'm gonna be donating this one too. I've got another TikTok shirt. This one, as you can see, I've worn it a lot. And I'm gonna keep wearing it because it's really comfortable. It's cotton, so it's breathable, long sleeve, perfect for like a rainy day or just lounging around. Also, TikTok, they're about to, like, she's about to be gone. So I'm gonna keep this for memories. I'm pretty sure this is a large. The tag is really like twisted right now and I'm feeling kind of lazy, so I'm not gonna look at it too much. But yeah, it's really cute. It's a V-neck front and it has like a V-neck string open back. This bright orange, I just think it's really cute. It's almost like a neon orange, honestly. I'm gonna keep this for this summer and then I'll see how I feel about it after the summer ends. This one, also orange, also very cute. I know for a fact it does not fit and I don't think I will ever fit this again. This one's a size medium. It actually still has a tag on it from Forever 21. It has gold hardware on the sides and it's cut out super cute. I think I actually might sell this on Depop because it literally still has a tag on it. This is my last TikTok piece. It's a green, like a lime green hoodie. It says TikTok on the sleeve. It has the emblem on it. I think I accidentally took the rope out, but I'm still gonna keep it. I also have the black cardigan. This one's a little more loose than the cream one I showed y'all. It's also from Forever 21. This one's super soft, so I'm gonna keep it. Honestly, this green sweater, I kind of don't like the shape of it, but it's cold, so I need sweaters. I'm gonna keep it for now until I can absolutely replace it, and then I'll probably donate it. But yeah, it's just not my favorite. There's nothing wrong with it. I don't know. I've kind of outgrown it. So this is a shirt I got when I was volunteering for the breast cancer walk here in DC. It says, "Have courage, show passion, give hope." This is like a cute shirt I like to wear when I'm, you know, running errands, lounging in the house, sometimes even the gym. So I'm gonna keep it. So once again, I really genuinely loved my clothes. So this is another one of my like absolute favorite pieces. It's like this wraparound neck piece, and then off the shoulder, cold shoulder, and then long sleeves, and it's ribbed. It's super cute, so I will be keeping this. I have this long sleeve brown crop top. I'm gonna donate this because it's a little thin for me, and I don't know. I kind of want thicker clothing, like better quality stuff. It's not the type of clothing that I want right now in my life. I'm less of a cutesy clothing person and more of like a functional, how long is this gonna last me type of person. So I'm gonna donate this. So I got this sweater, I think from Rainbow a few years back. It's like an off the shoulder, chunky red sweater. And it has like a little peekaboo back. So you can lace it up tight or you can loosen it up to show like a little bit of skin if you want. This was cute. I'm just not really feeling her anymore. Also, the shoulders kind of like fit me weird, so I'm gonna donate this. So once again, another favorite of mine is Heather Gray midi skirt. It also has a slit on the side, which I used to love wearing with like a nice boot. It has a thick band, so it really cinches you in. And I'm gonna keep it. Like, I've literally had it since at least my sophomore year of college. Next, I have this corduroy burgundy Levi jacket, like jean jacket. I like it. I'm gonna keep it just because it's really unique. And it's really functional too. Like, it keeps you warm. It fits over my clothes because it's a large. So it fits large enough to like wear a sweater and not be, you know, squeezing tight. And then another large chunky piece is this flannel. I also got this from TJ Maxx. And this one is by Love Tree. It's a medium, but it's like super oversized. Yeah, I'm actually gonna start wearing this a lot more. I just forgot to take it out of the trunk. And now that it's winter, I'm definitely gonna start putting this on. And yeah, so this is definitely going in the keep pile. All right, so if you're seeing this, congratulations, you have made it to the end of my video. And wow, did that take a very long time. Now y'all see why I didn't want to do it that day, because yeah, in real time, it took genuinely like an hour and 45 minutes. I'm probably going to cut it down as much as possible for YouTube. But yeah, I'm glad that's over. As I said, I'm going to be doing the organizing piece in a separate video. So if you want to see me fold everything and actually make a few outfits with the hangers and hang it up, that'll most likely be my very next video. I'll also make sure to link it in this one at like the end cards. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. 2025, I definitely want to do better with posting content. Stay tuned. Definitely like, comment, subscribe, everything. I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and have a nice night. Bye.